Asari Dokubo, hey, he don't read though. They say that as he stand right now, Asari Dokubo don't cry, come outside. Come tell the general public, he said that their oil wey Nigeria dey take, wey Tinubu dey take, wey be say he no send dem message again o. He say he go do anything to make sure say he stop them from taking that oil. Hey, he don read o. You see this last one, Asari go later come outside, come tell us say last say he and Tinubu no one hear as the north now dey paro give Tinubu. Na the way Asari Dokubo dey paro too give Tinubu. I wan make una watch this video, see the can cry wey this man dey cry for this video concerning the situation wey the condition wey Tinubu dey put am inside now. He don pay Asari say no, he go talk come outside. Just watch the video before we go come back come continue. Don't forget say e still dey for Pump Info News here wey we dey bring you ogbonge news as e take dey happen. As you dey watch am, make sure say you dey follow this page and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Share the video so that other people go get the information wey we dey tell them they no hear, and now they dey cry anyam. Watch the video and share.
This is not even Nigeria. A group of people who feel entitled that everything belongs to them. They can decide to kill, they can decide to give life, they can decide to do anything. They take the resources of the job people, the Czech people, other people. When we are talking of Nigeria, these few people take everything and threaten everybody. Go to our communities. They have spoiled everything in the community. You cannot go for pitching. You cannot go for anything. They're here. Just a few people. A few people who feel that everything must belong to them. A few people who, we're not talking of generality. A few people who feel entitled. And everybody is afraid. Nobody wants to speak. People cannot go to fishing here. They are dying. Everybody is dying. The hunger started. Today now, people cannot afford garri. They can't afford rice. They can't afford beans. Bread, that one, Oyibo man food. They can't afford anything. Everywhere is spoiled. Businessmen are crying. Even billionaires are crying now. You can't do your business. There's no diesel to run anything. It's hard. You can't drive your car any longer. A few people are afraid of them. We're talking about Tinubu, we're talking about governors, we're talking about local government chairmen. It's just small. We say we're under a democracy. We are not under a democracy. We're not under a democracy. A group of people fighting the democratic institution, fighting the personalities managing the democratic institution, and stay somewhere and destroy everything and steal everything. Nobody can talk to them because they have the guns of the taxpayers. They have the guns of the taxpayers with which they will kill the people. Everybody that talks, they will threaten, will kill you. Who gives them that constitutional right? Who gives them that constitutional right? Where do they get it from? Because the people are afraid of them. Who gave anybody under the constitution for somebody to fly an unmarked helicopter on top of somebody's house? For over 30 minutes, frightening people. There are children here, traumatizing people. And you come out and say, I will kill you. How many people have you killed? How many bandits have you killed? You are giving the taxpayers money. You have not killed bandits. You have not killed years. You have not killed people. You want to kill the person who assists you in the battlefront, who stand with you shoulder to shoulder, who is in the same trenches with you. Because you want the business to continue. The business of the people dying in the northeast, the north central, northwest, and in the southeast. The business of the people dying. You want it to continue so that you can line your pocket. Who doesn't know? Because they don't want to talk about it. How can government establish institutions that will be working against the people, and the people cannot talk? If we talk, they threaten us with death. Death where? I saw somebody obituary, my friend in Warri. I saw his obituary about 3 days ago. I was shocked. He's 56. Made money. We're asking, who gave you the right to fly an unmarked helicopter over people's houses without looking at safety? Who gave you the right? Where? Where is it written? You came yesterday. You flew the same helicopter. Flew the same helicopter yesterday. The places where you have caused war and battle, you have not sorted it out. You want to open another front. You're posting. Go and solve the one you started in the north east first. Then we'll know. Why would you put the country through wars? The life of the citizens of this country doesn't matter. Every citizen that is killed under any other guise is a loss to this country. And the people don't know. You are clapping, you are happy. Because today it is not you, it is with somebody else. We go after bad people.
My people, he don ready for Asari Dokubo head as we dey talk right now. Let me still bring you update of what is happening in Finland between the Nigerian government and Simon Ekpa, the Prime Minister, Biafra government in exile. Watch the video.
I been think say Nigeria no dey fear, but now I know say Nigeria dey fear well. I think they say Simon Ekpa na terrorist, Simon Ekpa na criminal, Simon Ekpa na dey buy people up and down. Just dey spoil Finland, then say Finland dey harbor am. Now Finland don't carry them go ICC court, International Criminal Court, for spoiling their name, say then they harbor criminal. They don't talk the thing, bam, now Finland use their hand, go arrest Simon Ekpa. As they arrest Simon Ekpa, they keep Simon Ekpa for their custody. They investigate everything about Simon Ekpa. They did not see any atom of criminality for where Simon Ekpa did. They did not see any atom of terrorists for where Simon Ekpa did. As the whole Simon Ekpa, they can't expect them, make them carry their lawyer, carry their evidence, say Simon Ekpa, make they carry everything come Finland. They no carry anything, but you come Finland. Now Finland don't finally drag them. Nigeria now go ICC court, make they come prove them. Say Simon Ekpa na criminal, Simon Ekpa na terrorist. Now they them by their hand and by themselves come out that country, say Simon Ekpa no be terrorist again. Say na cyber incitement. Now be the charge now where they give Simon Ekpa. Say Simon Ekpa no be terrorist again. Now waiting then they talk currently now. Say na cyber incitement. So now tell me now, not only cyber incitement, now they want carry from here they go ICC court to go win Simon Ekpa. So if anybody get any backup or any evidence, we go feedback Nigeria up now. It is now left for you now to bring it up now than to then Nigeria here they talk say Simon Ekpa do this, Simon Ekpa. If you all of now when they talk that now, if you get any evidence now, it is now left for you to bring it out so that you go use and back up Nigeria, go that ICC court, go win them this matter. You know, you get as it be, say you want go win this matter with only cyber incitement.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. You don ready for this last one. As you stand right now, only good thing wey you go do now to share this video. Share am everywhere so that people go dey follow up and know how it dey happen right now as we dey talk. Share and make sure say you dey follow and subscribe to our YouTube channel. especially follow our Facebook page, very very important, so you no go miss our update back to back.